Hello all. Today I'm presenting my latest Excel dashboard, which includes a simple and intuitive spreadsheet used to keep tracking of household bills, like for electricity, gas and water. You can save up to 7 locations and view the monthly and yearly usage. There are 3 main charts showing the monthly usage. For each month there is a spark line and a chart, both of them showing the actual consumption for that month, based on the maximum allowed. You can configure the maximum per month and the maximum per year for each category. These charts show the yearly consumption, based on maximum allowed, with red mark the already consumed energy, and with green the remaining until the maximum is reached. You can configure the location names and the measurement units. Select the location from here. You also can configure the price for each category. Different price for each location is possible. For each category, for example for electricity, you need only to introduce 2 values, the value of the electricity counter and the day of the month it was taken. If you have any improvements idea, please feel free to suggest them in a comment. If you like this dashboard, you can visit my Etsy store, https://www.etsy.com/shop/firstconcept.